Hey, hello everyone, my name is Darren Burch and welcome to our YouTube channel. Now if you like what you see, please subscribe us. And if you want to see more, hit the notification bell there and you get to see my uploads as I do them daily, or try and do them daily. But today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new kettle. It's my very first unboxing ever. Sorry it's not a game. You're probably saying, oh, how boring is that? It's just a kettle. But to me, it's not boring because I had to go without a kettle for up to 5 weeks because the electrician was meant to fix it, but they didn't end up fixing it. So we went out today and we bought this kettle from the supermarket for 30 Turkish lira. Very cheap. And here it is. Doesn't that look awesome? Elegant too. A nice shape. All stainless steel. Because I don't like cooking or boiling water in plastic. No. Stainless steel's really good. And tea. I love tea. After I've done this video, I'm going to clean this and then dry it, and then I'm going to put new filtered water in it, and I'm going to make myself a nice fresh cup of tea. Yes. And it comes in all different languages. I'm not too sure what that language is, so let's try and find the right one. Here it is. English. It's a 220, 240 volt, AC 50, 60 hertz, 1.7 litre. Wow! Yes. Goes up to 360 degrees. That's pretty hot. Very hot. Right? And it's stainless steel. Now, let's open it up. Yeah. Here we go. Now, when people do unboxing, you don't actually get to see the person doing the unboxing. You only get to see the box being unboxed. But this time, you've got to be seeing me unbox a box. Right? So, what's the first thing we're going to bring out? We've got instructions. Hey! Look at that. It's got a warranty on the back. And inside is 4 different languages, instructions, and there's a diagram there, and again it's all in different languages. Can you see that? It's in focus. Okay. It'll probably say make sure you put water in it before you turn it on. Don't put your fingers in the PowerPoint. Or how to clean it, or what you need to do if it blows up and you need warranty. So yeah, okay, and here is the base. Look at that. Actually, I didn't do that well. Let's do that again. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Look at this. Here you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's the base. Yes. Oh, and that's the cord. And that's what a European plug looks like. Yeah. And it's got a cable tie. Is that a cable tie? Looks like one of those bag ties. These are actually quite handy. We've got a few of them in the kitchen. When I put vegetables or meat in a bag, I tie the end up using one of these. I'll keep that. Put it in my drawer of knickknacks, right? And the cord, I'd say that's about half a meter, right? And it's got a safety thing on the end there, which is great, so you can, if your children put your fingers in there, they can't get a shock. See? Pretty cool. See? They thought of everything. Right, so let's get the kettle out. I'll put this to the side. So, ooh, what's this? Oh, we've got bubble wrap. Hey, I love bubble wrap. It's actually a bag. Could use that. Yeah. Don't stick your heads in plastic bags, no. Do not do that, it's not safe. Okay? So here's a kettle. Hey, look at that, it's cordless too. Hey, I used to have a kettle with a cord on the end. Geez, it was annoying. So there it is, pretty elegant. And it's got a red light switch there to let you know that it's on. And it's all stainless steel. It's got a small top, which is great because the other kettle was quite big. The top, and when the water was boiling, it would heat the plastic up and make the water smell bad. This one's small. This is good. I like that. It's got a nice big handle. It's got an off and on button right there. See that? It's got a nice spout. Nice return on it. See that? So you get a nice flow when you're pouring the water into your cups. And then the top, it's locked, you see. You've got to push this button in for it to open. See that? And inside, there's nothing. So it's easy to clean. Very easy to clean. I wonder if I can get my hand in there. Oh yeah, get my hand in there. Oh, oh. Can't get it. Can't get it out. That's a bit of a worry. Ah, there we go. It's out. This is going to A&E. You want to, Berna, can you pick me up? My hand's stuck in the kettle. We have to go to hospital. So that's the bottom there. And see that? That's the bottom. And if you can see that, CE, Certified Engineering, or Certified Engineer, right? Set upside down. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful kettle. And only 30 Turkish lira. I think if you work that out, like $2.70 New Zealand. So it's almost 30. It's like $8 New Zealand. That's pretty cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap. Okay. And we're going to put that noise that you hear of the kids next door that just got home from school. So that goes on top of there. Like that. Doesn't that look cool? Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely weekend. And Mutlu Pazartesi, meaning happy Monday. Right, so thank you very much. And there's nothing else in the box, just a piece of cardboard and some bubble wrap. Catch you guys later, and thank you very much for watching my very first unboxing. See you!